JLR investigates Colin Gray, the father of Colt Gray, the Apalachee High School mass shooter, had a court hearing today, folks. The grand jury indicted him recently on 29 counts, including second-degree murder, and he pled not guilty in court today. But he wasn't in court. His lawyers pled not guilty on his behalf. I'm going to show you this clip right here of the court hearing today. We are following this case on JLR Investigates. Check it out.
All right.
Your Honor, for the arraignment of Colt Gray, case number 24-CR-0594, there is a waiver of arraignment that has been filed in that case, Your Honor.
All right.
And you call for arraignment.
And he has counsel.
Call for arraignment 24-CR-0593M, State versus Colin Gray.
Good morning, Your Honor. We represent Mr. Gray.
Good morning.
We've waived his presence. We are prepared to sign for him plea of not guilty. We have filed some motions yesterday afternoon. We have approximately 30 more that we need to file. General and special here. I know that we've got to file those within 10 days of the arraignment. We'll have those hopefully done first of next week. We are going to ask the court for additional time. Once we get the discovery and we file a motion for that, filing the additional motions we might need to file.
But your initial motions you can file within the 10 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you, on behalf of the defendant, waive formal arraignment today?
We do, Judge. We will do that. We'll file that this morning at some point.
All right. Anything else to come before the court then on the Colin Gray matter?
Your Honor, the only issue, if he's going to file, are you going to file a written waiver? Because the indictment's under seal, Your Honor, so I didn't know if you wanted me to break the seal to sign it, but if he's filing a waiver, then I don't think that paperwork would be necessary.
Yeah, I don't think we need to do that. We'll file the waiver.
And you'll do that today?
Right. We weren't sure whether the court had a waiver here in the court. Some counties do have their own waiver, but we'll get one filed.
We'll let you do that. All right. Formal arraignment then has been waived by the defendant. Motions will be filed within 10 days. If additional time for additional motions is needed, you'll move for time for that. And I'll not unseal the indictment, but let you file a separate waiver of arraignment here today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else to come before the court on that case?
No, Your Honor.
All right, that will conclude the matter and we'll be adjourned.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So Colin Gray here, he's in some big trouble with the law. He provided his son, Colt Gray, the gun to commit that terrible mass shooting in September. The father knew about Colt Gray's previously rambles on Discord last year, which had the police go out there, the authorities, the sheriffs, to question his son about it. Yet, after that police encounter, Mr. Colin here gets Colt Gray the gun for Christmas. A gun. Terrible tragedy. Yes, he should be charged for this. And just like Ethan Crumbley's parents in Michigan, in the state of Georgia, the statute allows parents to be held accountable for what their children do when it comes to these mass shootings. So we will follow this case extensively on JLR Investigates. And any future court hearings with Colin and Colt, we will share on this channel. Praying for the victims' families. Let me know what you think in the comments. Guilty or not guilty? That is the question. We will talk soon. Stay tuned.